And I only got chicken. I don't really get no sides when I come. I like the chicken. So I got me 2 wings. 2 wings and a leg. Looks good, huh? Looks good. And I got me some good old hot sauce to go with it. Yeah, I got me some good old hot sauce to go with it. And some black pepper. They be having some good hot sauce, y'all. Y'all know that a good old Texas Peak? That good old Texas Peak hot sauce. Let me turn this vehicle off. Save my gas. I just filled up to it, what, $2.72 a gallon. Let me turn that off. Got me some hot sauce. See my hot sauce? Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, that's good eating right there. Here, let me give you the first bite. I'm going to give y'all the first bite. Because it looks delicious. This is what happens when you have to get up and you have to move early in the morning. You have to constantly keep running and running and running. I know with me, I have so much to do early in the mornings with appointments and running here and running there, to the point where I'll forget that I have not had no breakfast while I'm out here. And then I'll pass stuff like this at this truck stop, and I loves chicken. Fresh, hot. And their chicken is ready good and early. They make sure that when the people stop here, they already got chicken already cooked. And when I say this is some good chicken, truly.